आज जे ह्या इलेक्शन जिंकले की गोय विधानसभेतले सगळ्यान सिनियर MLA आसतले प्रताप सिंग राणे फाटल्यान प्रताप सिंग राणे इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करना सो सिनियर जर कोण आसतले ते मामीन बाब बुदे तुमकां वेलकम ह्या कार्यक्रमात ते पयलीं म्हाका कॅम्पेनिंगाचेर विचारपाक जाय दाबोळीन तुमचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो आहा
आज कॅम्पेनिंग तुमकां खबर आहा 5 सोंपता आतां लास्ट खंय कोणा लोकां भेट हांव दिवपा जाय आसली ते दिवपा खातीर हांव येयल्लो आसा तुमीच पळयला आनी तुमकां खबरूय आसा की रिस्पॉन्स हांव इतले इलेक्शनाक केला पूण आज जे रिस्पॉन्स म्हाका मेळ्ळा हेजी इतली बरी रिस्पॉन्स म्हाका केन्नाच पयलीं मेळ्ळो ना लोकांनी सारको वॉर्म वेलकम जे आमी म्हणटा इट्स व्हेरी हार्टनिंग इतलो म्हाका लोकांचो प्रेम दिसपा येता घर घरांनी हांव वयता तेन्ना इवन आरती अशी म्हाजेर फिरय हांव समजता तेणी म्हाका चडूच मान दिल्लो आसा आनी एक क्लीन स्वीप जे आमी म्हणटा ते निकाल येता तेन्ना सगळ्यांक कळटले म्हणजे जे वोटांची गिनती 10 तारखे जेन्ना जातली सो आज कितें म्हणटा तें तांकां म्हाका दिसता खरे अर्थान पळोवपा मेळटलें आनी लोक कित्याक हें सगळें म्हाका दिसता इतलो येवकार म्हणूनच येवकार कित्याक दिता वयता थिंगा इतलें हांवें हिंगा काम केल्लें आसा मनशाचेर जेन्ना वायट प्रसंग येता तेन्ना तुमी लोकां पावपा जाय पॅन्डमीक आयले ते तावतके सायक्लोन आयलो तेन्ना आमी फिल्डार आसले सारके ते टायमार लोक भिताले कोवीड-19 की आपल्या कोवीड जाल्यार कितें जातलें फॅमिली मेंबर सुद्दां एक दुसऱ्या हात लावपाक भिताले ते टायमार हांव ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलां आसतालो थिंगा तांकां जाय त्यो फॅसिलिटी दिवपाक थ्रू CSR कितें जाय तें अरेंज करून दिलें अडेज कोट्यांचें सुमार मायज सामान दिलें इन्क्लुडींग मॉडर्न एम्बुलन्स आनी ते लोकांक याद आसा आनी तेन्ना एक व्हडलीशी तेन्ना बोर्ड पडलेली आख्खे वास्को की हॉस्पिटल प्रायवेटायज करता आय पुट माय फूट डावन आय सेड नो आय वॉन्ट दीस टू बी द बेस्ट पब्लीक हॉस्पिटल गरिबां पासत आमचे मुरमुगांव तालुका पासत आज थिंगा फॅसिलिटी इतली बरी जाला लोक प्रायवेट ना वयतात ते हॉस्पिटलान वयता कित्याक इतलें क्लीन आहा नाल्यार एक इमेज कितें गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल म्हळ्यार कांय क्लीन ना बेडशिटां सारकी ना फॅसिलिटी सारकी ना फ्लोरींग मेळें आसता पूण अशी थिंगा स्थिती ना इट इज वन ऑफ द क्लिनस्ट एंड अ व्हेरी गूड हॉस्पिटल एट मोमेंट सो हे हांवें पॅन्डमीक टायमार केलें जेन्ना सायक्लोन आयलो झाडां सगळीं पडोन तेन्ना कितें जालें वायर तुटले पोल तुटले नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हळ्यार उदकूय ना आनी ते टायमार प्रायवेटली हांवें सगळे म्हाजे कार्यकर्ता घेवन स्ट्रिंगींग केलें वायरांचे पोल घातले आनी जेन्ना डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मेटेरियल ना प्रायवेटली हांवें घेवन ते लोकांक दिले एक दिसा भितर आमी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रिस्टोर केली तेन्ना तुमकांय खबर आसतलें डेली तुमचे टीव्हीरूय ते रिपोर्ट येताले 5 दीस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ना 8 दीस ना दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी बिकॉज दे वेटेड फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स टू वर्क आय डी नॉट वेट फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स टू वर्क आय मायसेल्फ carried on the work what actually the department should have done through my private people and through my कार्यकर्ता 1 2 3 रातचे सुद्दां आमी काम केलां म्हाजे फूल ऑफिस स्टाफ बायलो म्हण नाका सगळे तेन्ना फिल्डार आशिल्ल्यो काम करताल्यो कित्याक लोकांक रिस्टोर करपाक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कित्याक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हो करंट ना जाल्यार उदकाचोय बरेच त्रास जाता सो हे भाशेन आमी जेन्ना काम केल्लें आसा कित्याक लोक आमकां इतलो फाटिंबो दिवपाना प्रोजेक्ट्सूच तूं पळय कितले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट जाला सांगल्यार एक व्हडलें लिस्ट आहा आनी फुडें व्हडले जावपाचे ते प्रोजेक्टूय दे आर इन द पायपलायन म्हणल्यार जाता फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकेंड ब्रीज ओवर
पायपलायनी
नो सेकेंड ब्रीज एट न्यू वाडेम इज बींग डन बाय साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे हेज गिवन मी अ कॉन्क्रीट रोड विच इज लायक अ रिंग रोड इन दाबोलीम where else they do under CSR or for that matter where they do private work but for me they have given because I told them it is in their interest and they should also show besides running the railway or besides running the goods and passenger trains you should show you are with the people so as a beautiful example they have done a concrete road in my constituency for my people which they themselves were denying permission to PWD for last 30 years so things have changed for the better why because it's the BJP government at the center BJP government here and it is with a thinking and understanding to serve the people better हे आमी काम दे भाशेन केल्लें आहा
ओके तुम्ही सिनियर लिडर आणि तुमचे काम रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू दाबोळीम ना तुम्ही ऑल गोवा लक्ष दवरून आसता ऑल गोवा BJP कसो रिस्पॉन्स आहा
ऑल गोवा रिस्पॉन्स जे आसा आज हांव मुद्दम सांगता सुरवाते लोक मातशे पेसिमिस्टीक आसले आनी लोक आमचो गोंयचो चड सेंटिमेंटाचेर वयता. पॅन्डेमिकान सगळ्याक त्रास भोगचे पडले. पूण हांव आमचे गोंयकार भावांक सांगपाक सोदता आनी भयणीक, हें पॅन्डेमीक फक्त गोंयांचूच जावना, आख्खे वर्ल्डा जालें. लोक खूब जाण मेलेय बीन. खूंय इटली सारक्या देशान, अमेरिके सारक्या देशान, जर्मनी सारक्या देशान, फूल वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कितले लोक मेळ्ळे. ब्राझीलाक कितले लोक मेळ्ळे. एंटायर वर्ल्ड वॉज एफेक्टेड. चायना कितले लोक मेळ्ळे. चायना तरी आपलो आंकडो केन्ना दिना कितले जाण मरता ते. गोंयांनी लोकां फेस करचे पडले. खूब डेथ जाले. वी लॉस्ट वेल्युएबल लायफ्स ड्युरींग द पॅन्डेमीक. अशें तेंचो सेंटिमेंट जालो, अरे सरकारान कितें केल्लें, अरे कितें करतले. गेले 100 वर्सां, मिन्स इन 100 years नो सच डिजीज वॉज दे. स्पॅनिश फ्लू बीन खूब पयले आसले, तेन्नाय लोक मेल्ले. आनी खूब ते भाशेन आनीकूय अशें करून पॅन्डेमीक आयिल्ले. पूण COVID-19 वॉज समथींग वीच केम आफ्टर 100 years एंड नो बडी कूड कोप अप. अदरवायज हाव दे वर डेथ्स इन एडवांस कंट्रीज वेर दे हॅव द बेस्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट ऑर हेल्थ प्रोटोकॉल. But our honorable Prime Minister and our government in Goa rose to the occasion that time. After a short period where they were grappling with it because it was a very big problem, slowly things fell in place and now the COVID protocol, the facilities so created, beds made available, सगळी गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल आनी फॅसिलिटीज ज्यो कोवीड पेशंटांक घालपाक आमी बऱ्यो शोरअप करून लोक बरेय जाले. सो यू कॅनॉट पास अ जजमेंट वेन दे कुड हॅव पास्ड अ जजमेंट. जे विरोधक आमचे आसा ते हॅड दे बीन सच अ सिच्युएशन 10 years ago, 20 years ago, and that time there were very good protocols and this time we did not do anything, then we could have been blamed. अरे वो प्रसंगूच असो आयलो. इवन डॉक्टर्स सफर्ड. हाउ मेनी डॉक्टर्स डायड इन द बार्गेन in the whole country. So they should understand that oh prasang jo unexpected ailo, we dealt with it in a proper manner. Loka, it was reaching out. Vaccination today we are 100% in Goa. In the entire country vaccination is free. Has the honorable Prime Minister not done this for his countrymen? We have spent something like almost 45,000 crores on the vaccination drive in the entire country. So this speaks volumes how the government reached out. तरी आसता टिका जावपा जाता आनी ते चिंतता. बट आय थिंक ऑपोजिशन इज रॉंग हियर. दे शूड नॉट यूज अ प्रोपागंडा ऑन अ सिकनस, ऑन अ पॅन्डेमीक. एक व्हडलो प्रसंग जो लोकांचेर आयलो ते पॉलिटिक्सा यूज करप म्हणल्यार हें सारकें न्हू. ते म्हणटा हें करूं ना सारकें, तें करूं ना. ऑक्सिजन म्हाका एक सांगा, ऑक्सिजना रिक्वायरमेंट तरी शॉर्टेज जाली. इतले व्हडले प्रमाणान शॉर्टेज जावपाक इतले ऑक्सिजन जाता म्हण कोणें एंटिसिपेट केल्लें? बाकीच्या स्टेटीनूय सेम जालें, बाकीच्या वर्ल्डानूय तेंच जालें. बट गव्हर्मेंट गियर्ड अप एंड सॉर्ट विथ दॅट द ऑक्सिजन देर आफ्टर वॉज अवेलेबल न्ही. आज एंटायर थिंग इज स्ट्रीमलायन. सो दीस कॅनॉट बी कन्सिडर्ड एज अ मायनस पॉयंट. हॅविंग सेड दीस, आज लोकांक बरे भाशेन खबर आहा डबल इंजीन गव्हर्मेंट. थिंगा केंद्रा कडेन आमकां मदत जाय. एकूच मिनिस्ट्रीचे उदाहरण 22,000 crores नितीन गडकरी सारके दिले. माझे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन 400 crores फ्लायओव्हर दिले. 22,400 crores तेजो आंकडो आसा. तेणें गोंयचे खातीर मदत केला. ते असले आमकां हेल्प जाय काय ना? काँग्रेसी टायमार 438 crores was the highest devolution from center during Congress time. Today you know how much is the devolution? 2,500 and odd crores. कितली डिफरन्स आहा? कितलो अंतर आसा? ओडेशी 480 crores आणि 2,500 crores. ह्यो आंकडो चोय न्हू तूं. सो हेजेर दाखयता की वी कॅनॉट सर्वायव विदाउट सेंट्रल हेल्प. हा गोवन्स गोईंग टू थ्रो दीस इन टू द विंड्स. हें सिच्युएशन काडून हें सिच्युएशन एक वायट कार्ड आपल्याचेर येवपाक दितले म्हाका दिसना. आनी आज वारो जो आख्खे गोंयान मारता लोक हें समजला बरे भाशेन. एज डेज आर नियरींग, पयले तरी ते म्हणटले 22 सीट 22 सीट्स मेळटले. इट इज नो मोर सच ए सिच्युएशन. टुडे इट इज नॉट ओनली अ सिंपल मेजॉरिटी. खात्रेन सांगता कित्याक आज आमकां एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी मेळटा. 25-26 इज द मिनिमम सीट्स वी आर गोइंग टू गेट. वी मे गेट 1 or 2 एज सरप्रायज सीट्स एंड गो टू इवन 27-28. पूण BJP जिखता हें नक्की जावन आसा. And लोकूय ते उलोवपाक लागलेलो आसा. People always like to go with the winner. Initially what happened, other parties came from other state, whether AAP or whether TMC, they created waves with the publicity. But if elections were to be won only by putting posters, then I think it would have been something different. आज लोकांनी पळयला विकास चोयला लोकांनी पळयला स्किम्यो लोकांक दिला त्यो लोकांनी पळयला फंड्स सेंटरासून मायज येता ते लोकांनी पळयला फुडारा टुरिजम इज द की फॉर आवर इकॉनॉमी वेन टुरिजम इज द की यू नीड बेटर एंड मच शोड अप इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वीच ओनली बीजेपी कॅन डू.
ओके, टिकेचो प्रश्न काढलो. टिका करता ऑपोजिशन म्हणून एक विचारता, तुम्ही इलेक्शन लागले की तुमची ओल्ड एक केस येता की कोणी स्कॅम म्हटले, पॉवर रिबेट स्कॅम, मागीर म्हटले ते अटेम्प्ट स्कॅम, जेणी कंप्लेन केलं तेणेच म्हटले इट वॉज नॉट अ स्कॅम म्हणून. ही कित्याक परत येता आनी स्कॅम असले तितून?
आता यू आर युअर सेल्फ गोईंग ऑन रेकॉर्ड एज ऑल प्रेस हॅज गॉन. When Manohar Parrikar himself was alive, he was asked this question. How is it you said Marvin did a big scam, power scam, हे आणि तू ताका भितर घेता. तेणें कितें सांगलें? इट वॉज नॉट अ स्कॅम, इट वॉज अ अटेम्प्ट टू स्कॅम. मागीर हांव तेजे कडेन जोकिंगली विचारतालो अटेम्प्ट टू स्कॅम म्हणल्यार मिनींग कितें? तुवें सांगपाचें देर वॉज नो स्कॅम एट ऑल. म्हणजे म्हाजे मतीन कितें चलता तें तुका खबर आहा. आय सेड दॅट मिन्स यू आर पंडीत. आय टोल्ड हिम. आमी फकाणांनी उलयता तेन्ना मागीर तो हांसपा लागलो. ना आय कॅनॉट से नो बिकॉज आय ओनली हॅड फायल्ड अ केस. बट आय एम टेलिंग यू नाव ऑन रेकॉर्ड ऑन टेलिव्हिजन it was never Parrikar's fault. I told him, why you're feeling bad that you filed? I said, my own chief minister sold me out at that point of time. I was his cabinet colleague. He told me the previous morning, I will go strictly by the opinion of my advocate general. That opinion, he made all cabinet ministers sit at his bungalow.
Where it started?
Where it started, mulya, yes, ye पहिले सांगता. He made all of us sit and he said, I will purely go by the opinion of advocate general. And he kept it suspense. It was suspense for him also and for me. In the end paragraph, the Advocate General so opined that this particular thing of not going to the cabinet, what was the charge against me? That I am the cabinet galuna mun. I have to just write a please put this file up for the cabinet. There have been hundreds of such decisions in the parlance of government functioning, where if the secretary does not write, we just sign and it is cleared. But here issue was made and that issue turned into a criminal charge to pull me down politically. कित्याक म्हाजेर politically म्हाका उडपाक कांय मेळनासलें. सो केस आनी नॉट वन केस, एक केसी 5 केस केल्यो, वेगळे वेगळे केसीस केल्यो. आनी हांव मुद्दम सांगता, वेन दीस पर्टिक्युलर ओपिनियन केम, Rane opened it, he turned white. I said, why is turning white? Because he wanted opinion to come against me, so he did not have to ratify the decision at the cabinet. Then he told me, then I asked him, what happened, Mr. Rane? Show me the opinion. Yeah, I'll show you at the cabinet. So we had a formal cabinet meeting, he showed me the opinion. I said, this thing can be ratified. If the decision was ratified subsequently, post facto approval by the cabinet, which is called post facto approval, there would have been no case against me. So I asked him, are you not ratifying? He refused to ratify the decision of his own advocate general. Why? Because he had fixed up already to fix me in the case, because my name at that point of time was coming up for chief ministership in the Congress.
He was considering you as a
so
threat.
so he threat perception. He felt threatened that eka कितें तरी हेजेर अहम दाखोवपा जाय. आज पुसान माझे ते use करता. There is a case against him. Case whispering campaign is going on. BJP High Command also saying, oh, there is a case against him. What is there in the case? Argument before charge. 4 cases got over. हेजे 5 case केल्यो on this simple matter of not going to the cabinet. Even I had an opinion of the then Attorney General, Deven Dwivedi. He was the Attorney General of India. He gave a written opinion. If a case can be framed against the particular person concerned, that is Marvin Goodino, for merely a policy decision, then when the finance minister in parliament gives assurance to certain industry of giving concession, then he would also be subject to criminal charges. He will also be subject to charges that he is favoring particular industry. This does not happen in a parliamentary democracy. It is his right to give concession. And here power subsidy, अजूनही लोक घासता माझे. What was the power subsidy? Only 13 crores were dispersed to 400 industries, small subsidy. And it was only notional. Suppose तुझे bill 100 रुपये आता, 25% subsidy मिळाल्या, you had to actually pay. The billing was done for 75 rupees, not 100 rupees. So it was notional. Loss to the exchequer. Marvin has done such a huge loss. And Parrikar, thereafter, what he did? I told him, please recover all the amount if you feel it is not right. Entire 13 crore was recovered back from the industry, which was against our own industrial policy. But they did it. So what survives? Where is the misuse of funds or embezzlement of funds which they put in the case? This was a framed up case. with the connivance of my own chief minister, because he felt threatened that I am going to be the next chief minister. And I don't blame Shri Manohar Parrikar, because which opposition leader will leave such a chance if the ruling fellow gives you, "Arey, my rival is there, I want to fix him." गाल आणि केस घाल म्हणले घालतलोच न्ही. सो this is what happened. आज तेच गाजता. आनी एकटो उबो जालो आतां हें इलेक्शन येता म्हूण आमचेच थोड्या मनशान ताका फुलयलो, अरे नेक्स्ट टायम मोविनाच ही केस आहा म्हूण मातशें व्हडले प्रमाणान जावपा जाय, तो फाल्यां गोरी मुखार पावतलो. आज तो ओली मिनिस्टर आसा जाल्यार आनी कितें ताका पद मेळटलें. सो कितें केलें तेणी? हायकोर्टाक गेले टू गिव डायरेक्शन टू फिनीश दीस केस एज सून एज पॉसिबल. बट दे फेल्ड टू रियलायज. I had myself gone to the Supreme Court to see that this case is finished within 6 months. Supreme Court gave directions here to finish the case within 6 months. Now 2.5 years have passed. It is still lingering. People don't want it finished. Kida Mohinachi case, that whispering game. Mohin was involved in power scam. I am telling you with all emphasis at my command. For me, my honor and dignity is more important than all the money in the world, than any position. I have never done any scam. This was not a scam. And it is there in black and white. We all got the recording where Parrikar himself said it was attempt to scam. I refuse that. I refute even that part. It was never attempt to scam. It was a subsidy which was printed in the brochure of EDC, Economic Development Corporation, to encourage industry. Please come to Goa. We will give you 25% subsidy on water. We will give you 25% subsidy on. I only implemented it. While implementing that, a notification was issued. Okay, notification applied for availing was changed, applied for availing into applied or avail. I am my own handwriting on Burel Amun. It was sought to be converted into criminal charge. Am I not entitled to make changes so as to see that a subsidy scheme is implemented for the benefit of industry? Where it says so. Clear opinions are there of Advocate General and Supreme Court in the recent judgment. They allowed me to place, though it has gone on trial, allowed me to place record. Very conveniently what they did not include the opinion of Advocate General in the court. So that that opinion is not available to the judge. They did not include the opinion of the Attorney General of India. Now both I am allowed to place this on record. So let us see what happens in the court. I am also waiting. And anga konto High Court and गेल्लो one pseudo leader. बस ओनर लिडर म्हणून तुका खबर आसतलो तो सगळे कडेन मेते जाता ते कोणें फुलयलो. अरे तेणे प्ली जी कोर्टान मागला, इट वॉज माय प्ली इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट. आय एम टेलिंग देम नॉट 6 months. I want it finished in 6 days. Please do it, no? Because there is nothing. I'll come clean at least. They don't want that. It is a political game being played against me. And now it will be my 7th time. I'll be the senior most legislator. I'm telling with all the confidence, with all my voters. So they don't want me to move further politically. So a person who is unstoppable with the love and support of his people, and also the people of Goa, I want to say. I am the only person who has gone in other constituencies to campaign. The rest are only in their constituencies because they have difficulty to get elected. Mine is a smooth sailing. Why? I am there with the people 24/7. I have gone to Perne also for campaigning. I have gone to Kurtori also for campaigning. I have gone to Vasco for campaigning. I have campaigned in my own way in Bicholim as well, because my farm is there. People know me there. How many other constituencies I have been, there is a record. I might not have gone for formal meeting. Show me which other leader has gone. So thank I naka, अरे व्हडलो leader जातलो मरे. हांव व्हडलो जालोच. I'll be the senior most also. 7th time. हे फकत आरोप घालता म्हाका फाटी ओडपाक. Understood न्ही? आणि only I feel bad because I have never allowed my reputation to be sullied in any manner. I am very careful what decisions I take politically. I need to see that every time scam, when there was no scam, how hurting it is. And for last 25 years I am suffering the ignominy. There is a case against you. Kite case re? Eka khabara is my chartered accountant. He stays here where I come for camp. Ask him. They made them give so many details. They even tried to make a DA case. Rather, they tried to file my saying that I got more asset. My income proved to be several times more. That also was manipulated at one point of time. They did not include even certain check amount. They minus that so that they can show something disproportionate. And I'm telling you even about that particular case which is over now. High Court threw it out. What happened? Normally you are allowed 10% of whatever your income and this. Mine was a difference. If you do that 10%, only 2 lakhs. That means for 2 lakhs they filed a DA case against me. But High Court threw it out in the end, and argument before charge, everything got over in the other cases. So I came clean. Even in the one judgment of the Supreme Court, I can quote that. However, the above mentioned judgment, when they struck down for not following rules, however, the above mentioned shall not be a reflection of on the conduct of the then power minister. It is like giving me a clean sheet. I can show you the judgment. And when this clearly Supreme Court also gave me a clean sheet, still how the case continues, you should understand. It is my own government, no doubt. And in the same vein, I'll tell you another thing. SEZ was one of the biggest scam. You agree with me? Who was involved in that? Louisine Falero, who is in the opposition. Pratap Singh Rane, ex-chief minister. In their own handwriting, they bought. This allotment of land is to be given to Mr. So-and-so. असे बुरयले. त्यांचे केस काबार झाले. Our own government finished it.
कॅबिनेटान घालून काबार केलं ते.
हांव ते उलयना कशें काबार तुमी फायंड आउट करा. तेंचेर ओपोजिशन आहा तेंचेर केस काबार जाल्या आनी म्हाजेर उरता म्हणजे पॉलिटिक्स म्हूण कळटा न्ही. आनी 25 years आय एम सफरींग दीस. हें लोकां हांव कितें हें मुद्दम सांग लोकांक कळपा जाय that माझे ओपोजिशन तो विरोधक कोण आहा तो एवरी टायम ट्रायंग टू सायड दीस that he is very clean and I am unclean. See, in politics one cannot be as white as milk, but certainly to the best of my knowledge I have no black spots on me. I have been very, very careful how I function as a minister, how I function as a MLA. This is only your case म्हणल्यार ते हांव स्पश्टीकरण ताका लागून आज दिवचें पडलें. But I will prove it with evidence in the next assembly when I get the opportunity with documents सारके systematically. Because of booth जो दाखयता लोकां पळय तेच्या फाटल्यान booth आहा काडो of the case. I want to finish it once for all. And I would plead with the court that please finish this case as soon as possible. Give the decision. I have nothing to hide. When there was no scam and when no rules were flouted, how is it? Even High Court earlier gave माझे बोगलांट कितें आसलें तितून applied for availing subsidy. I made applied or avail. For आहा तें or केलें एक वर्डा लागून ती केस केली सांगता. And High Court gave a decision. Applied for availing and applied or availed mean one and the same thing. High Court and decision dile. And Supreme Court thereafter confirmed this. And thereafter, see the manipulation that took place. This was one judgment of High Court confirmed after, and it was not just that ekda appeal by rodayta no tashe na. After carefully going through the judgment, we don't consider we have any reasonable reason to interfere with judgment of High Court. So that attained finality. Rejuda karta manasta means final principle. One case cannot be adjudicated again. But here there was one, I don't know, one particular lawyer who was responsible for that. He's a big manipulator. You will know which lawyer, big lawyer who was always Parikar's advisor. He saw to it that through the High Court, not following business rules, परत case open केली cabinet घालून माझे same case. And surprisingly, business rules were not followed. ते बोगलांट गायले म्हणून ही last case उरला ती. आणि business rules were not followed. I'm quoting a rule. Rule 46 of business rules for the conduct of ministers clearly says, however, the above mentioned rules to be followed is the sole responsibility of the secretary, bar officials. If, however, the minister deviates from such a thing, it has to be brought in writing to the notice of chief minister, bar governor. Understood me? हे बुरयले आसा rule 46 and what it means. Rules have to be strictly followed. म्हणून आमकां IAS ऑफिसर आसता. सपोज अंगुठा छाप मिनिस्टर आसलो जाल्यार सगळे भितर पडपा मरे प्रोसिजर फॉलो करना म्हूण हे कसले हे फकाणां म्हाजी केला तेणी अक्षरशः
ऑफिसरांचे केसी घातले
ना. आनी केस फायल करतना ओली मोविन गुडिनाचेर केस फायल केला. जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी ना, अंडर सेक्रेटरी ना, आनी सेक्रेटरीचेर केस ना.
इट वॉज कम्प्लिटली पॉलिटिकल.
Which proves it is completely political for not following business rules. And they said that, and it is written there, suppose I had overruled the secretary, if he had written, then it was my responsibility. But no such thing was there. This was one such decision as a matter of routine course, without going to the cabinet, kitli decision pass kela. I can show, quote 100 such example, 100, maybe much more. आनी म्हाकाच क्रिमिनल चार्ज.
ओके सर लास्ट क्वेश्चनाचेर येता तुमी पांच वर्सां भितर BJP कडेन एसेट जाले आनी स्टेटीकूच न्हू तर सेंटराक सुद्दां डिपेंड केले ऑन वेरियस प्लॅटफॉर्म. तुमचो एक्सपिरियन्स बरे तरेन BJPन यूज केलो तर BJP पार्टी एज अ स्टेट अँड सेंटर तेजो नोट घेतला की तुमच्या कामाचो. आनी सेकंडली दुसरें क्वेश्चन की आतां जेन्ना परत तुमी निवडून येतले तेन्ना तुमचो एक्सपिरियन्स तुमची सिनियरिटी आनी तुमचें डेडिकेशन कोण तुमचे कडेन मोठी जबाबदारी येवपाक शकता तुमी एक्सपेक्ट करता की कितें येतलें म्हणून.
पळय कितें जावपा जाय कितें येवपा जाय म्हूण हांव काम करना. इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ नॉर्मल कोर्स फॉर मी. बरें काम करपा लोकां पासत वावुरपा. जी जबाबदारी म्हाका सदां दिला हांवें सारकें प्रमाणीकपणान केला. म्हाका GST कावन्सिलाचेर बाब मनोहर पर्रीकरान घातलो. एक टायमार एक्सपोर्टरान प्रॉब्लेम आसलो आनी बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर आनी हांव दोगांय मिटींग एटेंड केले. बाब पर्रीकर पयलो उलयलो आनी मागीर अरुण जेटली जी समहाव ही वॉज नॉट इन अ मूड ऑर इन्क्लायन्ड टू लिसन टू वॉट ही सेड. देन आय सेड भाई हांव उलोवं I have to take your permission because you're there. No, when you're there, it's not right. No, you have to speak म्हणून लागलो. आणि I spoke the way I presented it. Immediately on the spot, he announced that he is accepting the demand made by me, and it solved the exporters' problem. पर्रीकर तेन्नाच उठलो ते GST कावन्सील मिटींग उबो रावलो. तो उबो रावलो म्हाका हग केलो आनी मागीर अशें थम्सअप हेणें दाखयलें कोणें अरुण जेटली म्हणजे बरें काम केलें म्हणून. So I have worked like that in the GST Council. I have always been applauded. बाब डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत माझे CM विचारा कितले पाटी तेका युनियन फायनान्स मिनिस्टरान फोन केला. युअर मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम गोवा इज डुईंग एक्सलंट वर्क. रियली आय डोंट नो, आय डोंट ब्रीफ हिम. Without any briefing, he is able to know everything. He really is a studious person. He knows everything about GST. Because I take that much pain. So, खंयची जबाबदारी म्हाका दिला ती हांव सारकी पालन करता. म्हाका फकत
मोठी जबाबदारी जायची दिसना.
ना सांगता ते आयक. म्हाका तीन खेपे फायनान्स मिनिस्टर मिटिंगां धाडली. एक फावटी वर्च्युअल आनी आमी लिबरेशन 60 years ऑफ लिबरेशन मान्य आमचे मुखेलमंत्र्यान केंद्रा कडेन 100 crore मागणी केली. हांवें तांकां असलें प्रेजेंटेशन दिलें म्हाज्या भाशणान आनी सांगलें वाय वी are behind because we got liberated later. We missed 3 plan periods. We missed that much of funding. So you have to compensate. Goa is a progressive state. Don't punish us because we have performed. Because the state has done well, you should have rather rewarded us. अशें माझे argument and some very other strong argument केले. How much we got thereafter? 300 crores. That was basically after my presentation. Same way, when planning commission came, he is a very strict person, Mr. Singh. तेन्ना आमकां स्वता 32 crore मेळटाले under 14th Finance Commission. That is the highest we got under Panchayat. I made such a presentation, we got 75 crores. Immediate quantum jump, and now he has promised much more. And he told the officers, the chief secretary that time and the finance who is now the chief secretary, he came to my chamber. Sir, आपका कमाल है, बहुत पैसा मिलेगा. And really we got more money आपका presentation के बाद. So what I want to highlight is, हांवें जे कामां म्हाका दिला हांवें प्रमाणीकपणान केला. हिंगा मागीर मॅनिप्युलेशन जाता तें सोड, तूं व्हडली जबाबदारी म्हणटा. तशें करून बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर दुयेंत आसले तेन्ना म्हाका तेणें हॉस्पिटल बेडार सांगलें सगळे हें झगडटा इंडस्ट्रीज पोर्टफोलियो. तुका इंडस्ट्रीज आनी एकूय पोर्टफोलियो मेळटा ना. तूं एका विचार, आमचे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आमचे MP आहा ते विनय तेंडुलकर विचार. तेणेंय म्हाका सांगलें कितें रे तूं इंडस्ट्रीज सोदता, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड फायनान्स इज बींग गिवन टू यू म्हणून म्हाका सांगलें. गोंयान येतकच डिसिजन चेंज बाब पर्रीकरान सांगलां ते. सो आय डोंट नो वाय इट हॅपन दॅट वे, बट आय एम होपफूल. तुम्ही सांगला तशें फुडले खेपे आय विल हॅव मच बिगर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकॉज आय कॅन से वन थिंग सेफली. आफ्टर माय परफॉर्मन्स इन GST Council, everybody knows me in Delhi. Nobody introduced me. Even important meetings जाता तेन्ना local कोणे म्हाका लिडरान व्हरना. I made my own inroads. Today, whether it is Honorable Prime Minister, whether it is Honorable Amit Shah ji, whether it is Finance Minister, whether it is other very important leaders even in the organization, they know me personally, and I expect that they will bless me with something important where I can serve the state to the best of my ability, even better than what I am serving. And I think my elders in Goa as well, they will also fully back me the next time around.
ओके सर, हांगसर इंटरव्यूचे एंड करता आमी. हे आशिल्ले माविन गुदिनो जे आतां आमदार जाले की ते सिनियर मोस्ट MLA इन गोवा असेंब्ली आसतले. त्याच बरोबर एक तितलीच जबाबदारीची तेजे कडेन कामां येतली अशें ते उलोवन दाखयता. आयचो कार्यक्रम हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत फुडल्यान.